Hi everybody, welcome to SMR Telugu Education. So next one is how to provide security to our C program. Okay, so anyone after entering the password only they can see the remaining code. Okay, so how to write? So here void main. Here I am taking the one string, some size 100. So clear the screen, CLR SCR. So ask the end user, enter the password. So enter password. So enter password. Okay. So my gets. Here we are. Our entering string is directly entered to my gets. This function. This is called function calling. So my gets function no return type. This is called no return type void. Function name is my gets. str type is char asterisk of ptr. So we are entering the password. We are read the one character. Okay, that should be continuously. That means infinity loop. Okay, so infinity loop is while of 1. This is the infinity loop. Here I am reading the scan the character by using which function? Get ch function is stored in. So I am entering the one character. That character should be stored in asterisk ptr. That means base address 500 stored in 500. Next one is 501. So at the end we have to enter the end. So get ch function returns carriage return whenever we are entering the enter button. If that means asterisk ptr value we are entering carriage return, we have press the enter button, that ptr function, that function returns the carriage return. If that is equal to carriage return, then every string should be end with null character. We are assigning null character to our string and then break out of the loop. Otherwise you have to printf. For end user I am giving star and increment the pointer. So whatever the string we are entering, that is stored in our ptr value. First I am entering ABCD and then enter. So A is stored in 500 address, not equal to carriage return condition false, then ptr is 501. Next B is stored in 501. Next C. Next D. Next entering enter button. Then ptr returns carriage return is at the end you have to null character break out of the loop. Next control comes here. Here you have to check the our enter string and our password both are same. Okay, there is a function called string comparison function. If str string comparison of our entering, that means str, our enter string is present in str, our password is smr. This is the password. If string compare function returns 0 if both strings are equal, these two strings are equal, then this function returns 0. So this value is not equal to 0 means we are entering the wrong password. So here giving the message printf /n. So please enter correct password. And then printf /n. Try again. And here I am reading one character. To enter our screen up to the we are pressing enter and then exit. Exit of 1 means this is present in process.h header file. You have to include that one. So hash include process.h. Save this file f2 password.pwd.c. If this we are entering correct password means the control comes here, printf. Here you have to write our code. Okay, whatever code the end user, you have to give the code to the end user. Here just I am giving some message. Okay, printf /n. Okay, and here get ch. The screen is wait up to we are entering any character. So alt F9. So function declaration, we have to declare that one. Whenever we have to write the function definition, this is the function definition. Whenever you write the function definition before the function calling, then function declaration is optional. Commenting this code, to comment this code, so alt F9, yes, control F9, enter password. I am entering some SMR. So please enter correct password, try again, then you have to press enter. So once again control F9, I am entering SMR. Okay. So whenever you have to write the function definition before the function calling, then function declaration is optional, but you have to follow this one. First you have to write the main function and then you have to write the function definitions. At the end you have to declare that one. To declare, so return type is void, function name is mygets, of type is char asterisk. This is called function declaration. So alt F9, yes, debug this code. F7 Windows watch. So enter string. Control comes here the ptr value. So debug watch, remove all, debug watch, just adding ptr. Now enter the password. I am entering A. So A is for stored in first. Windows watch. Next one is F7, no, watch. Now our ptr value is next one. Now I am entering, so F7 B. So not next star is alt F5, star is printed. Next F7, next value is C. Next F7, next D. So F7 E, F7 F. I am entering enter. So enter is returns char as return, ptr is null, break. Here our string value is debug, add str also. Our str value is ABCDEF. So ABCDEF SMR. So this value is returns here A S, this difference non-zero, not equal to 0. This condition is true. then please enter the correct and exit. Enter, exit our program. Alt F5. So still you have any doubts, please refer once again. Thank you for watching. Alt F9, enter, Alt F5, Alt F9, yes, cancel this one, Control F.